close.
It's still going. A science prod. Whoa, whoa.
Lauren.
It's going again.
You want to pick it up and move it?
Hey, smile.
Move it. You can move it. You can move it.
You smile.
When it comes to me,
Hey, put the small propeller on in a minute.
Hey, Corbin. Not the second one. Corbin.
I'm recording. I'm gonna post this on YouTube. No,
Corbin.
I'm just kidding. But seriously, I am.
is there a Lego back on it? Like a Lego thing?
I don't know.
It looks like a Lego thing. Move it again. Move it.
Ready, set, go. Here, let me see. Let me see. No, 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 no. Whoa, I don't want to pull. Ready, set, go. Okay, it's not doing too good. Okay.
Get you?
I didn't know that would happen.
Not really.
Did you talk to your mom?
Yeah. Put this one on.
Corbin. Corbin.
Yeah.
Put this one on.
Okay, so we're gonna take that one off top.
Yeah.
Did you record 2 times? Did you record 2 times for the large one? You have 2 times to record.
Hey, do it again, do it again.
I don't know.
Where's the other part?
Where's the other partner?
Oh, I gave it to you.
That's the smallest one that you got.
The small one.
Okay.
Back it up here.
Now
All right.
push the green button.
You want to run the timer or the switch?
Put the green button on the start.
All right, Corbin.
Ready?
I'm gonna do this.
You want to do
Here,
that?
I got it. I got it.
I got it.
Ready, set, go.
That's cool.
That's fast. That's what it is.
Yeah, the smaller one is fast.
How fast?
That is really fast.
You didn't tell me when you did it.
I can't reach it. Turn it off. Whoa! It came off. Fire alarm drill, or just fire alarm. Yeah. Yeah. Looks like we're going. I guess I'm posting this on YouTube more times than I can imagine. Whoa! I'm recording! I'm recording! Hey, if you guys can't see this much outside, it's because I don't know why. My quality sucks. But a fire alarm just went up! Run! Oh! I gotta go. Over! Back!
That's what we do in a fire drill.
Fire!
All right, come on, guys.
In the middle?
Thank you, baby.